Introduce highlight features and overview of windshield cleaner with microfiber cloth. You can find wanted washer cleaning tool at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Easy to use, the ergonomic angled handle and pivoting cleaning head makes cleaning windshields fast and easy. Reach all those hard to reach spots effortlessly. It's also great for use around the house on windows, mirrors and all other glass surfaces. No chemicals necessary, no glass cleaner needed, works great with just water. When it gets dirty, the removable microfiber pad is completely washable, so just throw it in the washing machine. Multi-purpose use, this handy window cleaner is not just for car windshields. Works great on trucks, SUVs, and even RVs. Overview summary. Clean your windshield quickly and easily with the Stalwart windshield cleaner with long handle and pivoting head. This car windshield wiper has an ergonomically shaped handle and a pivoting cleaning head to help you reach all parts of the windshield. This windshield cleaner works with just water, so there is no need for any chemicals. The microfiber pad can be thrown into the washing machine when it's dirty. This windshield cleaner is suitable for all types of vehicles. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.